What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how to complete Binance task in the Tapswap application. So the task is to connect your Binance wallet with the Tapswap application. In order to do so, the process is really simple. All you have to do is to go to the connect wallet option. Once you do it, you will see a lot of wallet option right over here. So all you have to do is to go to the view all wallet option, and in the all wallet option you will see the Binance wallet option on the bottom side. Just go and tap on the Binance wallet option. So what it will do, it will redirect you to the Binance application, and the Binance application will boot up, and you will simply have to tap on the connect wallet option in the Binance applications. Let's wait a second till the application totally boots up. So here's the connection option which says connect to this side. So just confirm it, and once you will do it, your wallet will now be connected with the Tapswap application. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.